Ladies and gentlemen, this is Trabant limousine.
CITYRAMA can tailor any tour to your specific needs. One of our special tours allows you to experience Budapest from a truly different perspective. Relive the past and explore the city with our Trabant tour. These famous and still very popular cars from East Germany draw Cold War buffs and enthusiasts alike. The plastic box on wheels is a classic symbol of the communist era in Eastern Europe. Built from a composite of plastic and cotton waste fiberglass, the Trabi was empowered by a two-stroke pollution-generating engine that maxed out at 26 horsepower. Not the most reliable source of transportation even during its heyday, Hungarians still revere the car as a symbol of independence, waiting in some cases up to 10 years to have one delivered. Trabants are not fancy or even comfortable, but they are real, and a very truthful reminder of a different time. An authentic tour of Budapest in a Trabi is an unforgettable experience, especially with one of our knowledgeable local guides. In the case of events, incentives, or meetings, CITYRAMA offers you a wide selection of group activities with the Trabant. Groups between 60 to 75 people are no problem with our fleet of these original Eastern German cars. Not many surviving examples of Trabis still in good working order exist. Sadly, even the youngest of these loud and smoky vehicles is not going to last forever. So anyone who fancies a little bit of nostalgia or just a bumpy tour through the narrow streets of Budapest should not linger.
És prüfök